The police say they are waiting on forensic evidence to determine the identity of the 3 persons whose bodies were found in Pier 3 district in St. Thomas on Saturday afternoon. But as investigators focus on establishing the identity of the remains, there is fear in the parish that the bodies are of soldier Leighton Clayton or boyfriend Kimani Taylor and their 2-year-old son Tyler. Reports are that on Saturday, June 6th, at about 3:30 p.m., a brown Nissan Latio motorcar was found abandoned in the Pier 3 River community alongside the roadway between Pier 3 River and Burden. Further reports are that the badly burned bodies of 3 persons were later found in bushes in the community. Indications are that a few days before the motorcar was rented to Tyler, who is said to have been a security guard at the Portmore Municipal Corporation and of Portland address. Reports are that the rental agreement was for a period of 2 days following the discovery of the vehicle. Speculations have been high that the 3 bodies are of the 3 family members. Residents of the Pier 3 River community claim that Tyler and Clayton were having relationship issues for some time recently. The police, when contacted, said they are awaiting forensic information to determine the residents' perspective are correct.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.